And I am doing my video diary, and I'm going to show you a waterfall. This is at the bird park, and it is a very good place. And I know that there's a feeding thing that you can do feeding with, and I'm going to show you the waterfall. Is it facing the waterfall? And that's the waterfall. And there are a lot of ways to get there. You'll have to go down. Can I show them the way?
Yep.
And I'm going to show you the way. Come on, let's go. I'm going to show you the way forwards and backwards. So we are going back to the bridge, but then we're coming back down.
That'll lead you to the top here.
Bye, thanks for watching.